Memory. The data and instructions that are entered into the computer using input devices are to be stored inside the memory. There are two types of memory. 1. Primary memory. 2. Secondary memory. Primary memory. This is the main memory of the computer. The CPU can directly access this memory. It is fixed on the motherboard of the computer. Primary memory is further divided into two types. 1. Random access memory, RAM. 2. Read-only memory, ROM. Random access memory, RAM. RAM is a temporary memory. The information stored in this memory is lost when the computer is turned off. That is why it is also called volatile memory. It stores data and instructions given by the user and also the results produced by the computer temporarily. Types of RAM. 1. Dynamic RAM, DRAM. It requires continuous power to refresh the data stored. 2. Static RAM, SRAM. It also requires constant power to hold on to data, but it does not need to be continuously refreshed the way DRAM or DRAM does. However, SRAM is significantly faster and uses less power than DRAM. Read-only memory, ROM. Information stored in ROM is permanent in nature. That is, it holds the data even if the system is switched off. It holds the starting instructions that are required to start a computer. It is also called non-volatile memory. Secondary memory. This memory is permanent in nature and is not directly accessed by the CPU. It allows users to store data that may be easily retrieved. It is cheaper compared to primary memory. Secondary memory devices are also called secondary storage devices. They are categorized into three types. Secondary storage devices. Magnetic disk, which is further divided into hard disk. Optical disk, it consists of CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, and flash drive, has pen drive and memory card. Magnetic disk. A circular metallic disk covered with a magnetic coating that is used for storing data is called a magnetic disk. You can record and erase data on a magnetic disk any number of times. Hard disk. The hard disk consists of one or more magnetic disks called platters. Each disk in the pack has top and bottom surfaces on which data is recorded using a magnetic head. It is permanently fixed in the computer system. It is usually used for permanent mass storage. The most important function of the hard disk is to store program files and data files. The hard disk comes in a variety of sizes with storage capacities as high as 5 TB, terabyte or even more. The CPU accesses data stored on a hard disk much faster than it can access data on a CD. External hard disks are also available. They are the hard disks that can be connected to any computer with the help of a USB port. Optical disk. An optical disk is an electronic data storage medium that can be written to and read using a low-powered laser beam. The lifespan of an optical disk is longer than a magnetic disk. Compact disk, CD. The CD drive reads information stored on a compact disk or CD. CD is an external storage device. It can hold up to 700 MB of data. Earlier, CD drive was connected inside the CPU box, but now it is not. Now we can connect it using a USB port. Types of CDs. Digital Versatile or Video Disc, DVD. Earlier, DVDs were widely used in computers. At that time, they had become a popular medium for storing information and video. The DVD is almost similar to a CD. Even the working is also similar. The only difference is that it can hold more information than a CD. Blu-ray disc. A Blu-ray disc is an optical disc. It is used for storing large amounts of data and playing videos. The main difference between DVDs and Blu-ray disc is storage capacity. Flash drive. The flash drive is a small portable data storage device integrated with a USB, Universal Serial Bus Connector. Pen drive. It acts as a portable hard drive and is easy to use as it is small and can be carried in a pocket and plugged into any computer with a USB drive. A pen drive has a storage capacity of up to 1 TB. Memory card. It is commonly known as multimedia memory card. It is very small in size, usually 1 to 1.5 inches. These are used in mobile phones and digital cameras. You need to have a card reader to read the stored data on the memory card.